Hello students, so today we are going to start with the basics of chapter 6. Look over the similar figures which I have drawn over here. The similar figures of circle, rectangle and triangle. All the congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. Two regular polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides in the same ratio. What it means that if we have two triangles, let us suppose this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. So if angle A is equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q and angle C equals to angle R, and the ratio of their sides, that is AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR equals to BC upon QR, is equal, then the two triangles, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Similarity of triangles. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So criteria of similarity is if a triangle ABC and triangle DEF is drawn, as I have already told you, the corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal, that is AB upon DE equal to AC upon DF equals to BC upon EF. So the two triangles are similar. Now there are some theorems related to the similarity concept, that is SSS, AA, SAS, BPT, Pythagoras and so on. First of all, let us start with the AA, that is angle-angle criteria of similarity, or it is also known as angle-angle-angle criteria. What it states? It states that if two triangles have the corresponding angles equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Hence, the two triangles are similar. So, if we have two triangles and their corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding side ratio is always equal and hence the two triangles are similar. This criteria is referred to as angle-angle-angle criteria of similarity of two triangles. Now let's start with the proof of this theorem. This theorem can be proved by taking two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, such that angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. Now let us draw a line PQ which is parallel to EF such that DP equals to AB, DQ equals to AC, and join PQ such that DPQ also forms a triangle, as you can see in this figure. So this gives us angle B equals to angle P and angle P equals to angle E. Because angle B equals to angle E, it is already given to us. So on comparing we get angle P equal to angle E. It means the corresponding angles are equal. So if the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. This is a property of the lines. Therefore dP upon PE equals to dQ upon QF, that is AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF. Similarly, AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF, and so all the ratios of the corresponding sides of triangle are equal. Hence, if the angles are equal, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. Hence, it is proved. Note one thing, that how dP upon PE is equals to dQ upon QF. This is due to the property that when the line is drawn parallel to the third line of a triangle, the triangle will be divided into same ratios. This is our BPT theorem. So dP is equals to AB, as we have already stated in this part, and dQ equals to AC. We have put the value of dP and dQ. Now moving to the next theorem, that is SSS, that is side criteria of similarity. Now in this theorem what it states, that if in two triangles the side of one triangle are proportional to, or it is in the same ratio of the sides of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence two triangles are similar. So if their corresponding side, now the opposite of the previous theorem is given to us. In the earlier theorem we have proved that if the angles are equal then their corresponding sides are equal. Now it is given that if the corresponding side ratio is equal then the angle must be equal. So we have to prove that the angles of this triangle and this triangle is equal. This can be proved by taking two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Again draw a line parallel PQ which is parallel to EF such that DP equals to AB, DQ equals to AC and join PQ. It can be seen that DP upon PE equals to DQ upon QF and the lines are parallel. So angle P equals to angle E because they are corresponding angles, and angle Q equal to angle F. Therefore DP upon DE equal to DQ upon DF equal to PQ upon EF. Because the lines are equal, so we have used the BPT theorem. So dP upon DE equal to DQ upon DF equals to, the value of PQ can be replaced by BC. So this is equals to BC upon EF. So from the first and second equation BC equals to PQ. Hence it is proved. So the lines ratio are equal and their corresponding sides are also equal. Moving to the next theorem. The next theorem is SAS criteria of similarity. It states that if one angle of triangle is equal to the one angle of other triangle, then the sides included to these angles are proportional, and thus then the two triangles are similar. So if one angle of a triangle is equal to the other angle of triangle and the sides including of this is proportional, then the triangles are similar. As before, this theorem can also be proved that taking two triangle ABC and triangle DEF, such that AB upon DE equal to AC upon DF. Now why we have taken less than 1? Because this value is lesser than this value, so the answer will be less than 1. It means that the ratio is smaller. This triangle is a part of this triangle, and angle A equal to angle D. Cut again DP equals to AB, DQ equal to AC and join PQ. Now PQ is parallel to EF and triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle P and angle C equal to angle Q. So the triangles are similar by similarity criteria of triangles, hence proved. Now moving to the next theorem. This is one of the important theorem in chapter triangle, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. The statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct point, then the other two sides of the triangle are divided in the same ratio. What it means, that if a line DE is parallel to BC of a triangle ABC, then the ratio of these points, the line joining the points AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. So it is given to us that DE is parallel to BC. So we have to prove that AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. As you can see that we are given with the triangle ABC in which a line is parallel to BC intersect the other two sides AB and AC at D and E points. We need to prove that AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Let us join B to E and D to C and then draw a perpendicular E to N and D to M. Now taking in triangle ADE, for base AD the perpendicular is EN, so it is half into base into height, that is half into AD into EN, first part, and the second part is area of triangle BDE. Okay, so in this we have the base BD and the perpendicular EN. Why we have taken the perpendicular EN? Although it is not a part of this triangle, but the whole side is having a perpendicular EN, as on a line from a fixed point there is only one perpendicular. From point E on line AB there is only one perpendicular, that is EN. So EN is perpendicular to whole line AB. EN is perpendicular to AD. So EN is also perpendicular to the part of AB, that is DB. It means for triangle BED there is only one perpendicular, that is EN. This is our second equation. Similarly, for again taking the triangle ADE and base AE, we have perpendicular DM, so it is half into AE into DM. Again in triangle DEC it is half into EC into DM. From these four triangles, what we get, dividing the first and second and third and fourth, we get AD upon DB and AE upon EC. Here we are having the area of two triangles on numerator as same, but in the case of denominator, triangle BDE and DEC lies on the same base DE between the same parallels. So there was a theorem in class 9 that when two triangles are drawn with the same base and within the same parallels, their areas are equal. So since the areas are equal, from equation 5th, 6th and 7th, AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC, hence it is proved. Thank you.